Be playing a game.
Sabi ni Bea, we're gonna try out some drinks.
Wala ka nakikita, promise.
Do I ever lie to you?
Yes.
Is this coffee?
Yes!
Sarap, sarap. Feeling ko mas nagising kasi ako eh.
Sample ng gising. We're gonna move on to our next.
Oh,
Careful.
it smells like milk. It is milk. Very creamy. Sakto lang yung tamis. Mom say that, diba? Oh, sarap. Di masyadong matamis.
Mare, tikman mo to. This has a lot of protein too. This is human drink. Last but not the least, Macho Cup.
The smell is pretty strong. I already know what it is.
Oh, what is it?
It's chocolate.
Yeah!
Ting favorite ko.
You ready to remove the blindfold?
Bakit?
Shade!
Vitasoy.
You actually have 3 kinds of soy milk.
So plant-based siya.
Oo.
Surprisingly good, ah.
Especially this Vitasoy chocolate 300 ml. Mas pinasarap and newly formulated. Now with vitamin B2, B12, and